In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a JSON file into n8n. Whether you're using n8n's cloud-based service or a self-hosted instance, this process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to seamlessly bring in workflows or data with a few simple clicks. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your n8n instance. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to your n8n cloud account, or if you're using a self-hosted setup, make sure you have it up and running. This step is really crucial because it sets the stage for the import process we're about to undertake. Once you're logged in and ready, the next thing you want to do is create a new workflow. Head over to the Workflows section. This is where you'll see any existing workflows, but for importing, we'll start fresh. Create a new empty workflow. This gives us a blank canvas to work with and ensures there's no clutter from pre-existing workflows. It's a fresh start, giving you room to fine-tune and personalize any imported content. Now let's initiate the import process. In the top right corner of the workflow editor, you'll notice a three-dot menu, often called the kebab menu. Click on this, and a drop-down will appear with several options. Here, you'll want to select Import from File. This option lets n8n know that you're bringing in data from an external source, in this case, a JSON file. When you click on Import from File, your computer's file browser window pops up. This is where you'll navigate to the location where your desired JSON file is saved. It might be in your Downloads folder or perhaps a dedicated directory you've set up for workflow files. Once you've found the right JSON file, select it and click Open or Import to bring it into n8n. This action transfers the file from your local environment into the application. After the import, the workflow should display on your canvas if you've brought in a workflow. It's important at this stage to review and customize what you've imported. Sometimes, especially with workflows, you might need to fine-tune various aspects, like updating your credentials to connect with different data sources, or tweaking node settings to align with your particular automation needs. This step ensures that the workflow functions exactly as you need it. Finally, and very importantly, remember to save your workflow. Whether you've made adjustments or not, saving locks in your changes and preferences, ensuring that all your work is preserved. This step is vital because it prevents any loss of progress or detail that might occur if you accidentally exit the workflow editor. By following these steps, you've successfully imported a JSON file into n8n, enhancing your automation capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.